Hi, this is Christina at Pink Iguana, and I'm going to show you here your new digital marketing report dashboard. You'll be given the link to that from your account manager. So this is a 6-page report, and we are going to go over every page, and I'm going to show you the different things that you can see on each one of these pages. The first page at the top, this is will show you sessions versus user over time. As the months go on, they will it would be continued to add to this. So you'll see January, February, March, April, May, June, July. That's not changeable by any of the customizations here. That'll just be showing you the year over time. Below that, we have Google Analytics and all the sources that you're getting information or you're getting users from. This shows you the default channel grouping, whether it's a display ad, a paid search, referral, a direct mail ads banner, your organic search. You'll notice here at the bottom it says 1 to 10 of 14. You can easily click on it and see the rest of the source mediums that you have and the number of sessions that it brought to your site. Below that is device category, where we have mobile, desktop, and tablet, so you can see the percentage of split between which device they're using. And then in this particular time frame, April 1 through April 30th, they had 447 users. When I go up here and I change the date, let's go back to say I want to see year to date. It'll give me the information for year to date on that time period. This customize your time frame is only for this portion down here. Now we'll move on to page 2. In page 2, it's all about geographic locations. So you can mouse over these areas. This is specifically showing you the California area. When you mouse over and get this little bubble, you can actually scroll through the little bubbles and see how many users came and what was the name of the area that they came from. This is a map of the U.S. showing you that you do get people coming to your site from many different areas across the country. However, the majority of them are in your local territory. And what we did over here was we broke down the cities by users, and this is for your home state only. Again, you have the ability to scroll to the next grouping. You can also change on this the date range, and you can go from, let's go back, say February 1 through May 1 and apply. And you'll see then the information from that time period. Scroll back to the beginning to see all the users from that time period. And those are your geolocations. On page 3, this is about pay-per-click. So these are your Google AdWords campaigns. Here we show the phone calls from PPC from Marchex, where people went to your site and they called the number on the site. There was 11 phone calls from ads. They called the number in the ad. They never got to your site. Here's thank you page conversions from PPC, meaning they scheduled an estimate with you from a PPC ad. And this is a different type of phone call where we have people who clicked from the ad and did not get to the website. On the bottom here, we show which ad group your users came from, the number of impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and cost for this particular time period. But if it says select date range, it defaults to the last 28 days. Again, we can go in and we can pick the dates that we want to take a look at. So in that time period, it went from 653 clicks, and that's up 121% with 59,000 impressions at a total cost of $1,800. Again, at the bottom, you can scroll down or you can click the list, and it'll show all the different ad groups that we are running for your campaigns. Page 4. Page 4, this is talking about organic keyword queries and landing pages. We wanted to show you what types of keyword queries people are actually putting into the address bar and getting to your site on. You can select the date range. Again, it defaults to the last 28 days. At the top portion of that, you'll always are going to have a not set. This is the keyword search query that Google will not show us the data on, except we happen to know that it's probably the most generic word that could come up with. So it could be the word painters, or it could be not set, or sorry, it could be house painters. But there was 470 sessions for that. And then your next sessions came in from the keywords CertaPro painters, CertaPro all copper color paint, CertaPro Yorba Linda, Dunn and Edwards color paint chips. Again, these are the keywords that people are using to look up painters, and then they are coming to your site using those keywords. We don't set those; those were what people actually type in. And then these are the top landing pages that they come in on. This is actually your home page with the most impressions that have showed up for these types of searches. And then these are the other types of pages that show up for the different types of keyword queries. Trying to give you an overview here of what people actually type in to find painters in your area. This is website organic leads and actions for residential, mobile, and commercial. Again, you can pick a time frame on here. If you want to go year to date, you can always do that. And hit apply. This will show you all of the people who got to the thank you page. What was the source and medium, if it was Google Organic, or it might be Google CPC, is actually PPC, that's what they call pay-per-click, and the number of leads that you got from each one of those sources. So here's the residential thank you page, and then it'll actually have the name of the person who filled out that form. At the beginning of the year, we did not have the capability of having the names there, so you'll see some of them that show you just thank you.aspx. Again, you have the scroll bar you can use, and the show me more. Down here at the bottom, you have a pie chart showing the percentage of people who, and the number of people who clicked on get a free estimate. This is your mobile call number. If they clicked on mobile call, that's a lead for you. So what we're doing is we're saying count up the number of form fills that are up here, 17 in this case, and then 8 for a mobile call, and that will give you the number of events that we can track for organic leads. And just remember, we do not track the phone calls from when people dialed your phone from the site. We don't have any way of tracking that at this time. We're working on that though. Page 6 is all thank you page form fills and their sources. So the page before this on page 5 was strictly organic. On page 6, you have all of them. And again, you have to select exactly the same date range from the page before if you wanted to see all the leads that you have, both PPC and organic, because this is going to show you all of them. So that it looks like there was 20 of them over that time period. And that's it. That's how to use your new dashboards. I hope you enjoy them. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager. Thank you. Bye.